Hello everyone, Scotty Carter here. I just want to actually take a few minutes to show you a real fun little trick on our platform. It's a real clever little thing that you can actually do. So let me just kind of get right into it and just show you. This is only going to take a couple of minutes. So let me first off, let's show you where I'm at. I'm over here in the content block, as you can see. So what I have is just a section in here, and I'm over in the main text. But what you're going to notice here, see how I have an image there, an image there, and an image right in there. Kind of interesting. And let me show you over here how it looks. There's the one on the top, there's the one in the middle, and then there's one on the bottom. So also watch, let me show you here in the full site. Now some of this might be cut off because of how I'm actually recording, so forgive me for that. But now watch. There's one there, and there you go. So it's just a different way to kind of present something. So kind of neat, huh? So now let me just kind of go down and show you where that is. Just to show you. See, I don't have it in there. Okay, so now let me kind of show you where that is. So what I did is, you see over in here I have an image. So here I have some text, just some made up text right in here. So now let me see, I just went right to the beginning of the text. And you see right over in here, see how I aligned it to the left, right over in there. Now I go over and I want to insert an image. So go right over in here. And this is where you're going to want to insert your image, your source. You browse for it, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your width is where you want it. Again, you adjust it. I have mine set at 250, and the height will adjust, auto adjust. So then I save it, and there I have a video. Oh, and I'm sorry, there I have an image. And if I go down a little bit more, and then I wanted to put one right over in here. So I'd have my cursor over here. I now want to insert an image. Now you see here how I have that aligned to the right. And then I just did the exact same thing right over here, and it's self-adjusted to that. Now I go down to the bottom one, and the same thing. Over here, aligned it, image, so on and so forth. Simply saved it. And then there it is in there. And as we'll give it a second here to populate. View over here in the services, do it again, save it, but you see we already had that, and now look how those are placed in there. You see how that auto-generated the correct size, so make sure that it fits. Let's go back over in here, do a simple refresh, see right in here, and there we go. There's also another little trick right there, and as you'll see what I did is I went over and I simply refreshed the page, and it came right back into where I wanted it. So that's also another little tip. If you find it gets stuck a little bit, now sometimes this platform may get hold up a little bit. Usually that's if you have a whole lot of programs going on. So we also always recommend when you're building a site, shut everything else down except for what you need. And I have a lot going on this computer right now. Actually, I have two computers that go at the same time for different projects. Okay, so that's just a nice little tip that I just wanted to show everybody. Again, thank you for enjoying that fun little Mobi First tip.